Hello students, this is our continuing video of chapter 2 sectors of Indian economy. Today we will discuss about the topic which is working conditions under three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary sector, and the problems in the working conditions and the solutions for these problems. Now the first question arises is, where the most of the people employed? Where are the most of the people employed means what are the maximum number of people engaged in which sector, primary, secondary or tertiary sector. So as we know that the population of our country has increased a lot, but according to the increased population there is not particular or permanent working conditions are there for all the people, and the number of educated and trained people also increases, but there is very less increase in working conditions or generating jobs for these educated, and in rural areas there are laborers also, but the work for them is not sufficient. So this is the main reason of unemployment in our country, that is more population and less work for them. More people are engaged in primary sector, that's why more people are engaged in primary sector. In primary sector, what are the activities they have done? They are doing agricultural activities or dairy farming and the dairy products. They are engaged in poultry farms. All these activities they are performing in primary sector, producing natural products. It is because not enough jobs were created in rural areas, or not jobs were not created by secondary and tertiary sector in rural areas for these people. That's why they have to work in fields. So more people are engaged in agricultural work, more than required people are engaged in agriculture work. इफ देयर इज, अगर कुछ कम लोग भी एंगेज होते हैं एग्रीकल्चर वर्क में, फील्ड्स में, तो भी प्रोडक्शन पे कोई असर नहीं होता है. अगर 10 लोगों की जगह पे सिर्फ 5 लोग काम करते हैं फील्ड्स में, तो भी वीट प्रोडक्शन, राइस प्रोडक्शन उतना ही होगा एक फील्ड से जितना मिल सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कंडीशन इज नोन एज अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. इस कंडीशन को हम क्या कहेंगे? अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. बिकॉज जितने एक्स्ट्रा पीपल एंगेज हैं, फील्ड्स में काम कर रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स में काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर नोन एज अंडर एम्प्लॉयड, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट नीड टू रिक्वायर डू दैट टाइप ऑफ वर्क. If one whole family is doing the same type of work, they are producing or they are doing work with their parents, children are work with their parents in their farms, what is the need of doing that work for them? No, they are just wasting their potential, they are just wasting their capacity of doing work. Understand? अगर कम लोग भी एंगेज होते तो भी प्रोड्यूस उतना ही होगा, और अगर ज़्यादा लोग उस वर्क में एंगेज होंगे तो भी प्रोडक्शन उतना ही होगा. उसमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं आएगा, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. तो इस कंडीशन को हम बोलेंगे अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू क्रिएट मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. हाउ टू क्रिएट मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर दिस अनएम्प्लॉयड और अंडर एम्प्लॉयड वर्कर्स. सो कैसे कर सकते हैं इनके लिए? खुद सोच के आप लोग आंसर दे सकते हैं कि दिस कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय क्रिएटिंग जॉब्स और वर्क फॉर दिस रूरल पीपल, लाइक बिल्डिंग डैम्स, कैनाल्स इन रूरल एरियाज. अगर डैम्स कहीं पे बन रहे हैं, कैनाल्स बन रही हैं, अदर कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा है, तो उसमें ये लेबरर्स वर्क कर सकते हैं एंड दे कैन अर्न देयर लाइवलीहुड बाय सेटिंग अप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज फॉर वेयर हाउसिंग ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स. Warehousing is very necessary for agricultural produce. or industries like dal mills, rice mills, flour mills, etc. All these type of industries or factories can be set up for generating employment for these rural people who are unnecessarily engaged in primary sector. Industries can be set up for food preservation also, for preserving food items. Cold storage, cold storage industries can be set up for preservation of potatoes, wheat, rice for use in future. These items, these all produce can be used in future, and they are transported in urban areas through cold storage. This will provide employment in industries in semi-rural areas also. For this semi-rural or rural people, all these activities, all these type of industries, and these are the main sources of generating employment for underemployed workers.